Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, I go by the name Dennis Chukwuebuka Okeke, popularly known as Onyenjem of Africa. And right now, I'm at AYEDOTO Poultry Farm, located in Agric or Joe local government area, and I want to show you this how big this poultry farm looks like, and it's one of the biggest poultry farm in Lagos State, Nigeria. So, guys, let me show you what this poultry farm is made up. The chicks, the fowl, the hens, and every. So you see, this place is a very big business area, which you can also come and locate this place, and so this is a nice place you can come and patronize and get your live chick. You understand? Even though you want to train, they will also lecture you on how you're going to pamper your chick to get to a big growth. You can still sell it to your marketers in your area. So this place is a business area where you can come and buy any kind of hen, any kind of chick. They have it in food, they have it in dozens, they have it in millions. So I'm going to be showing you guys how this place looks like. And please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Onyenjem TV. God bless you. So guys, I was meant to understand that we have different set of farm in this particular poultry farm. They have different people taking care of different section of farm, so which I will be visiting all these places. So if you are free, once you watch this video, you can select the one you want to come and patronize. You want to buy if you are within Lagos State or Joe local government area. Even though you are from far, you can still come and do your patronizing here in this particular area. So guys, I want to interview my big mama here, who is going to be telling us more things about this place. I don't really have idea about poultry farm. Which one of these days I believe I'm going to learn. If I want to learn, I'll bring people like this, my mommy, to come and teach us how to do some magic on poultry farms. So guys, sit back. We want to learn. You're going to learn from online because she's a professional in this. So mommy, you're going to be telling us one or two things. Thank you. So mommy, this fowl, I don't know, is it a fowl or a agric fowl, or should I say a hen? Which one is this?
This is Nuela. It's agric fowl.
Okay, this is Nuela, agric fowl. So how do you buy it in bigger form, or do you buy it in smaller form and start training it to this level?
We buy it from day old and start training it.
Okay, you buy it from day old. Like, how do you train your day old? Because I have this problem of, if you buy fowl in my area now, there are some people that normally train fowl in their compound. Before you know it, all the fowl start dying one by one. So I want the people to know how you normally pamper this fowl, take care of this fowl to this level it got to.
We take care of the fowl from beginning. When we bring them in, we put them inside brooder, not this cage, straight inside brooder. So from there we give them their normal medication. Then we take vaccine, so we put charcoal. So gradually they begin to grow up. So we begin to give them by stage by stage.
So, like, how many times do you feed this fowl in a day?
2 times.
Like, and how many times do you?
Morning and afternoon.
Just morning and afternoon. What about night? Are they not going to eat now, because night is very long?
We feed morning and afternoon.
Wow. So, what kind of vaccine do you give this fowl? Like the medication?
We give them Lasota, Gombo.
Sorry, I'm calling it fowl. I know that, right? And it's still chicken, right? Okay. So, like, how many times do you give them their medication?
Once in a month.
Once in a month? I thought it's good.
If I want to give them 5 days, that would be in a month.
Wow. Okay, 5 days. That means 5 days. Okay, let me understand you. Like 5 days, that means every day. 5 days, that's in a month.
Yes.
Okay, now I understand. So, like, which one? You want to say something?
They are on medication now.
They are on medication. So, like, is this their normal water?
Drugs.
Okay, drugs. Okay, ma, I want to ask another question, because we are all learning every day about this fowl of a thing, and about the nuela. You said you call it nuela. Okay. Like how many the ones like how do you make your sales? Like how much do you sell one of these agric fowl?
This one, the female 11,000, the male 15,000.
Wow, very cheap. No, I must confess, it's very cheap, because in my area, almost 18, 19,000. Those ones are outside sales and everything. But this one is, the female is 11, while the male is 15. Then I'll come and get one for myself during this Christmas. So that's the normal price. Does this one lay egg? Like
The egg.
or has anyone laid any egg here?
Oh, this one I've not started laying.
Wow, guys, we are really learning a lot here, because I'm kind of learning. So is it every day you come and like identificate? How do people operate packing the identificate, or do you leave it like this?
We have people that are packing the letters.
Wow, you call it letters. Wow, I love this. Are you educated? Like, which school do you go? Like university? You study agriculture in university? Because I love the way you sound. Like you're kind of full-time educated. Like I love the way you speak. Thank God bless you, ma. So, ma, give us one or two things that we really need to know about this poultry farm, for people that are interested to start a business as having their own or our own or his own poultry farm.
Our poultry farm is very good, but when you want to do it, don't look at the way that I want to make big money. Start according to how your pocket is,
Okay.
so that you can maintain them. You can give them what they want. It's not because they are selling day old. When I say this fowl is 20,000, it's 15,000. But when you want to buy the day old, it's 500 naira, it's 700 naira. So you now want to bring plenty when you don't have the money to feed them. So it's good when you have your money.
Okay, that means you can start from small, and ma, God bless you. I really appreciate you, ma. So guys, you've listened to my mom. Mama, I didn't get your name. What's the name again?
My name is Fola Shade Aluko.
Fola Shade. God bless you, ma. Mama, I really appreciate. So guys, keep on subscribing to Onyenjem TV. God bless you. Guys, I went to this particular farm inside the same AYEDOTO farm. You understand? Like I said before, they have different people, like different farm or people, different section that is handling the poultry farms here. So I went to this particular farm. The name of the farm is Sate Farm, and this is what they really gave me. I was like, I'm not one of you. I said, yes, I'm not one of you. I'm just an explorer. So he gave me this to put on before. Oh, wow, and the nose marks to put on before entering the farm. Man, this is what I call professionalism. So I'm going to be wearing this. I study chemistry in school, so I'm conversant with lab coats. This country is very funny. Doctor can finish university and be working in police. So I study chemistry. Today I'm doing exploration in Africa. So guys, back to Unizik. Back to Unizik when I was doing the lab things. So I'm remembering, this is giving me old memory. So we are going to the farm. So he said I should put on this. So I'm putting it on right now. Okay. Check me out, baby. Check me out. Check me out. Dr. Dennis Onyenjem, one of Africa of Anambra State, Ihala local government. So, guys, we're about to explore. Roll with me. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm inside another poultry farm. So, what is your name?
Ridwan.
What do you call it?
Ridwan.
Ridwan. So, Ridwan, please tell us more about this. Like, the work, how old is this? Just tell us what we need to know about this particular chick, these little ones.
Okay, this one you see, they are called broilers. These are 2 weeks and almost going to 3 weeks. We rear them from day old.
What kind of food do you give them from day old?
From day old, we give them broiler starter. We give them performer. We have basic food. We have broiler starter performer. We have broiler starter basic. We have broiler starter combo. From beginning, from their day old, you have to give them broiler starter combos performer so it can boost them up.
Wow. So did they take any medication at that day old?
Yes, we give them vaccines to cure some germs from them so that they will grow faster, and we give them some immune boosters.
Wow. So like how many weeks does it take before they grow bigger?
They grow bigger within 3 months. It takes them 3 months, 4 months to grow bigger.
Wow. That's nice. So what about this other one?
These are day old. These are 4 days now.
4 days?
Yes, sir, 4 days.
Wow. So they are from day old to this age. Yes. But they're not bigger like this when you get them from day old, right?
Yes, they are not bigger like this. They are just small ones.
Okay, so guys, you've heard from my friend Ridwan. So we're going to more poultry farm to explore. So let's keep on watching on Onyenjem TV. God bless you. So guys, this is where if you want to get your medicine for any of your chicken, your fowl, your hen, the layers, every man, this is where you can get yours inside the AYEDOTO Poultry Farm. And if you want to get here, you just look for Certain Farm, and you see all the medication, all the drugs that you want to get, all the equipment, all the medicine that you want to give to your hen, to your chicken, to every so far is a bed. Come and get yours here. Wow. So you can also come and get the feeder, the drinkers to carry, and the cage to carry your fowl. You know, this is where you can get yours. They are all important too. Yes. So they are here for strictly business. In case you don't know, this is one of the biggest farms in Lagos State, Nigeria, located in agric or Joe local government area. So guys, they are ready for you anytime, any day.
Good morning, farms and prospects. You are welcome to Certain Farms, the home of quality animal equipment. Yeah, what we do basically here is just rearing an agribusiness, which is very interesting venture to go into. Anyone can do it. Just like my partner said, I don't know when he graduated. I studied chemistry science too.
Wow. My partner in crime.
Calling is one thing and passion is another thing.
Yes.
So the passion that now drove me into farming. Yes. It's actually agribusiness. I've never regretted it. In fact, I can't even tell you I can remember the formula for water again. Because I'm making more money in the business. Yes. Fine. Once passion drives you, profit is inevitable. But with that passion, you can't go anywhere. In fact, in any business, be you selling pure water or bottled water, you don't have passion for it, be creative, be innovative, you won't go far. So that's what will be driving us. Fine. The business is interesting provided you are ready to obey the rules. You don't cut corner, no shortcuts. That's the rule. Yes, no cut corner, don't cut cut. Because chicken, we are talking about, they don't lie. Just like computer, input is output. If they need 5 bags of food and give them 3 bags, they give you equivalent of that 3 bags of it when they want to produce. And by fact that their weight, they need to eat 10 kilograms and give them 2 kilograms. They will not grow. Yes, sir. You know the weight of that 2 kilogram worth of food. So when you want to do the business, be ready to learn a new thing. Yes, sir. Forget what you have known. Be ready to be a new person. Yes, sir. Ready for the class and ready to practice. And ready to, this one now, you are not gambling your money. You are investing your money. Yes. So this business is about investing, not gambling. Yes, sir. That's why it's there from other trading. Yes, sir. So
like if as someone that is venturing into poultry farm, I want to ask a question like, if I want to, like, how many days they normally feed the fowl? Is it every day, or maybe they have a particular period they normally feed the fowl, and how many times in a day?
When they are chicks, you can even feed them as long more as 6 times in a day, because every 2 hours when they are chicks, you have to go there and observe them if they are feeling well or feeling bad. Their husband will tell you what to do, either to increase the heat or to reduce the heat, either to increase their food or to reduce their food, either to expand their place or not to expand it. So when they are chicks, the first 2 weeks is a very tedious week for any farmers, any farmer that is brooding. So you have to check them virtually every 1 or 2 hours. You have to go there and inspect this.
So how many days do you normally give them their vaccine, their medications?
I know, like the professional ones, that anytime you have new births, new day old, take the sample to the lab for BOC screening. For inexperienced people, they already assume what they have known before, that I used to give last 40 or so days. But I'm telling you professionally now, laboratory and technology has taken on so many things. Take the samples to the lab. The lab will not tell you the secret. The antibiotics they are resistant to, the one they are sensitive to, and the one they are intermediate to. With that one in mind, you are good to go.
That's good. So, and like how many months do you normally ready for before they get bigger for sold out?
Yeah, you have a choice. You either going for the meat or for the eggs. If for the eggs, they start laying by 5 to 6 months, anything from 20 weeks upward. If it's for table meat like the broilers, anything from 6 to 8 weeks, they are good to rear. Good for the table.
So most of them rear, that is they lay eggs, and
now you want to rear for eggs or you want to rear for meat, table meat.
So if they want to rear for eggs, like what process? And if they want to rear for meat, what process?
It's the same process, only it's longer. For the eggs, it's longer. It takes 6 months, maximum 6 months, minimum 5 months before you can see eggs.
Wow. Look, so if I want to buy chicken here now, like how much are they selling chicken within this farm?
Like for eating or for training?
For eating, like if I want for eating.
Per kilogram. I think the mature one brother is about 18,000 naira. This is about 4 to 5 kilograms.
Okay. They measure by a kilogram. Exactly. Live chicken. Exactly. Wow. So I never knew that they have kilogram for measurement and the rest. So that's the 18K. Okay, no problem. So if I want to buy for rearing of fowl, is it the broilers or the?
Yeah, broiler for it.
Okay, for training. Like how much do they sell?
Like a day old now, presently is sold for 1,009. The day old.
1,009, very cheap.
So why for what? Like 2 weeks? 2 weeks about 3,000 naira.
Okay, that is a day old is 1,009. Yeah. But if the person come and buy the day old, you give the person medications and other things that they want to buy.
He or she will buy the medications, and we are here to guide and consult.
Okay, what about if the person buy and goes home, and the person really wants you to come home, his house or the poultry, to come and check this thing? Will you also attend?
We do that a lot. That's why we are here. Yes, sir. We are service provider.
So you heard from me, guys. So always make sure that poultry investment, retirement plans matters a lot. I do tell people that whatever you do in life, always remember your retirement plan matters a lot. You can be working in a big firm, rather, a company. At the end of the day, you discover that the salary is not enough for you, and before you know it, you'll be getting to 45. If you get to 45 years or 50 years, they'll be looking at your brain existence is no more affecting the company. So you have to, they'll just put you into sack letter, or maybe they will leave you from your jobs. So but this is a very strong retirement plan that in years you work 60 years, it will even make you, it is a kind of exercise also. You're walking around, feel free, rearing of animals and the rest, and your children will also benefit from it. So guys, I would just advise you to think twice. The way Nigeria is going right now, I think investment in poultry farm is the best. So I'm already falling in love with this. Like I said, he's a chemist, I'm also a chemist. So we're not doing our occupation. He's doing poultry farm, and I'm doing exploration in Africa. So guys, keep on subscribing to Onye Njem TV. God bless you. guys, I'm inside another poultry farm. So, sir, what's the name, sir?
Eagles Farm.
Eagles. Okay, Ernest Woji is your name. So, sir, like how many years have you been doing poultry farm business? And how beneficial it is? Okay, hope you're making a lot of millions from this poultry business. No problem. So, sir, I want to ask. So, sir, like, how do you start this rearing of fowl? Like, do you just buy the big one or you buy the small one? And what kind of medications? How do you, do your, operations that makes it more healthier like this?
We start from the oats. We do all the medication, vaccine.
Wow. So I hope the medication is not that expensive.
It's expensive, but no, as nature as our things, as our nature is now. It's expensive now, but we are copying.
Okay, all right. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you, sir. Yeah. What's up, my people? I go by the name Dennis. You already know me, Onion Gem, one of African. Right now, I'm with Baba. Yes, we call him Baba of this poultry farm. So, Daddy, you have to tell us like your experience and how many years have started and what to do to rear this farm to make it more beautiful and giant the way it is. So, Daddy, over to you.
Well, I started in this farm about 7 years ago, 2017. I made May 27, I think. So things are not easy at all. Our main problem here is rat. Rat does a lot of harm. And the death, in fact, rat is the main cause of the death. And the cost of feeding too is very high. So for somebody who wants to come in, you have to get prepared. Have a little money, at least up to 2 to 3 million naira with you. Then you can rent a pen and start off. You don't need to buy a pen because to buy a pen now is not easy at all. It's quite expensive.
So, like, how many times do you normally feed your farm, your fowl, your hens, your chicken?
In the morning and in the afternoon by 7 o'clock in the morning and between 2 and 3 in the afternoon.
Wow. So that is the only days you feed the fowl? Every day. That is the only time in a day?
Yes, 2 times in a day.
Times in a day. So that is like medications. Do you give them medications? And how many times do you give them medications?
We do give medications regularly. You deworm them. You put antibiotic once in a year. In fact, you have to make a schedule how you do it yourself. First of all, you put, that's what we call lasota. Give them lasota. After that, you can give them the antibiotic and Or no, you can deworm them after water. Then you give them antibiotics last 5 good days. 5 days continuously.
Wow. So you guys have heard from my big daddy. So you have to learn a lot about poultry. Like I said, for you to venture into this investment, you have to have 3 million naira in your account for you to make it more bigger, to have a pain in this great to establish a poultry farm rather. So guys, keep on watching Oyengem TV, and do not forget to subscribe and also follow me on my Facebook page, Oyengem. Thank you very much, daddy. God bless you. Guys, if you notice, I've been going around asking people concerning the other farm, poultry farm directors, asking them concerning their how the business is going and everything. So they're giving me good answers. Right now, I'm inside another poultry farm, and from the information I got, is an new poultry dealer. So you are seeing the construction already. So it's going to be telling us what it takes to start a poultry farm business. So it's going to be telling us things about the poultry farm and how much we're going to be having in your account to start a poultry farm business, and how to run a poultry farm business, and a lot of things that we need to know. So sir, you're going to tell us your name and also tell us how this business is being run. Thank you.
My name's Fine Prince Madoka from Akweze town, Anocha local government area of Anambra State.
I'm in Anambra State.
Yeah, it's Anambra. I've been in a couple of other businesses, but this year I decided to venture into, after attending a couple of some seminars, I decided to venture into poultry farming. And this is my first experience. I bought the birds from Amo. I have an Amo agent here. So I bought the birds from him. We have been brooding. We're in the process of brooding. The birds are 6 weeks old now. When I bought the birds, I bought them 800 naira. And presently they are taking about 4 bags of food every day.
Wow, 4 bags of food every day. You guys are eating much.
You can see how happy they are.
I'm telling you, very gigantic.
White ones are broilers. And see, they are the same age, but their nature. They are bigger, much more bigger than the pullets. Pullets are egg-laying birds. So I believe that from information I gathered, like I said, I'm a new farmer. This is my first experience. About 2,300 birds here. From the information I gathered, they're supposed to start laying in 6 months' time. For 6 months anyway, for 6 months. Let's say 5 months, that is 20th week, 18th to 20th week. They're supposed to start dropping eggs. Wow. It's a very massive venture. I've been spending money to try to keep it going.
So for me to venture into this business, or for anybody to venture into this, like, how much do you think the person should have as a starter?
Depends on the volume, the quantity you want to start with. Okay. Some people start with 200, some people start with 1,000, some people start with 10,000. Depends on your pocket and your financial capability. So I started with I had kept about 20 million before I started.
Wow, guys, man, and he's very sure that this business is going to benefit. He's going to benefit from it, because poultry farm is I call it a retirement plan.
So, and I've been spending the money. So hopefully, I believe the money will carry me till the point the birds start laying. Because when they start laying, that I can be relieved to some extent, and then I begin to recoup what I have invested of the business.
So guys, you've heard from my brother. He's a businessman in Clyde. So guys, if you know your pockets, you have the money, I will advise you to come and venture into poultry farm. So guys, this is the manure. You know, for people that are familiar with agriculture, you can use this to fertilize your farm products to make it yield greater health. You know, so for people that are farming here and there, this is where you can get your manure. And you know, this will anything, all the physics of the fowl, they are dedicated. They normally pour it out there at the same time, then gather it and also convert it to be a strong manure for farmers, for agriculture. So like how much do you sell one bag of manure here? 500 naira. That is the amount they're selling a bag of manure. So guys, keep on following on your engine. Thank you.